Good morning, my dear children. This is P. Vasantakumar, social teacher from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Naltur. Welcome to the chapter Atmosphere, Part 3. In the earlier classes, we discussed about introduction of atmosphere, describe the structure of atmosphere, and explain about the pressure belts and planetary winds in detail. Learning objectives of this part. By the end of the chapter, you will be able to describe the types of winds. Remember, there are also many small local variations in the wind pattern. Now let us learn the classification of winds. Depending upon the wind speed, their features, their directions, the way they occur, winds are classified into three types. They are planetary winds. This is occurring on the planet as a whole throughout the year. Seasonal winds. It is restricted to region or a seasonal in character. And third one, local winds. It is local in character. Now let us learn in detail. Planetary winds are the type of winds which occur over the planet and are regular. They blow continuously above the world pressure belts and occur on the planet as a whole throughout the year. Planetary winds were classified into three types. They are trade winds, westerly winds, polar winds. Trade winds are the winds that move from east to west. These winds are called northeast trades in northern hemisphere and southeast trades in the southern hemisphere. Trade winds are situated in the tropical region and blow from 30 degrees to 80 degrees latitude. Westerlies are the flow of winds from west to east. These winds are primarily from the southwest in the northern hemisphere and from the northwest in the southern hemisphere. Polar winds blow from the high pressure areas of the polar heights at the north and south pole towards low pressure areas. Children, we know that the pressure and wind systems are actually the impact of lithosphere and hydrosphere on atmosphere. These winds play a crucial role of transporting heat and moisture across the world. That's why no part of the world gets too cold or too hot for life to survive. Had there been no atmosphere on the moon, it would have got intolerably hot in daytime or in the tropics and intolerably cold in night or in the polar regions. However, these winds do not distribute heat or moisture uniformly, which is why we have some parts of the earth quite hot and some parts cooler and some parts with high rainfall and some which are desert. Now let us learn second one, seasonal winds. Seasonal winds is a type of wind that is restricted to regions. The rainfall which occurs in India is mainly due to seasonal winds. In India, all the climatic factors are related to monsoons. The word monsoon is derived from an Arabic word, mausam. Existence of monsoon is due to differential cooling of the land and the sea. In summer, monsoon develops over northwestern India as southeast trades cross the equator. With the Coriolis effect, it becomes southwest monsoon over peninsular India and neighboring countries. In winter season, reversal of pressure belts, that is northeast trade winds, cross the equator. In Coriolis effect, it becomes northwest monsoon over the north and northeast Australia. Now let us learn third one, local winds. These local winds can be divided into two local winds, hot local winds and cold local winds. Hot local winds. Local wind is a type of wind that blows due to local variation in the temperature of a small area. Hot local wind rises the temperature of an area. Example of hot local winds are Chinook and Lou. Chinook winds move down the Rocky Mountains in the USA, Canada, part of North America. It is believed that the meaning of Chinook is snow eater, but actually it is the name of a Native American tribe who believed in the region where these winds are observed. During winter season, it keeps the grasslands clear from snow. Foehn winds are also the similar winds that occur in Europe and blow along the northern slope of the Alps. These winds help in the early ripening of grapes. Lou is the hot and dry wind of high temperature blowing in the plains of northern India from the west to east in the months of May and June. It is high temperature may also cause sunstroke to the people. Some examples of hot local winds: Simon in Arabian Desert, Yoma in Japan, Nor'wester in New Zealand. Now let us learn about local winds. Now let us learn cold local winds. Cold local winds blow in the lower layer of the troposphere that bring the temperature of the affected area below the freezing point. The mountain and the valley breeze, sea and land breeze are also one class of cold local winds. Some examples of cold local winds: Mistral, Puna, and Pampero are a few cold local winds. Among these, Mistral is a very cold and dry wind that blows from the Alps over France towards the Mediterranean Sea and is channeled through Rhone Valley. Puna is the cold local wind in Andes region. Pampero is the cold polar wind that blows very fast in the Pampas region of South America. Children, next session we will discuss about identify the variations between weather and climate, define condensation. Thank you, my dear children.